Good morning, everybody. We're Team FlipTheScript. My name is Yuxun Cheng. I'm a current MNG student studying computer engineering.
I'm Wang Wang. I'm doing MH student in computer engineering.
And my name is Samina Ahmed, and I'm a Master's of Education student with the Curriculum Teaching and Learning Department at Boise. And for the past couple of years, I've been working in Seoul, South Korea. So my current interest right now is looking at how students learn English as a second language in an elementary classroom. So in any elementary classroom, teachers will allot time for read-alouds. So this is a time where you can read a book aloud, but also teachers will pause and make observations, engage in questions and answers with their students, and try to teach different themes and concepts. Something that I've found in my research and practice are dual language books, and these are excellent tools in learning language situations. So dual language books provide translated text, so usually one of the texts is English and another is any other language that you can think of, French, Urdu, Arabic, etc. So when used in the classroom as a read aloud, the dual language book allows students to contextualize English through their mother tongue. So they're making connections and constructing meaning. And that essentially is the inspiration or motivation for our app. We want to give students the opportunity anywhere they are, at home, in school, independently, or with an adult or a friend, to take part in a story, read and engage, and make connections between English and their mother tongue through a variety of features that we'll show in our demo. So I'll pass it to Yushin to talk about our design, the design of our app.
Thanks, Amy. So we have three main sectors in our design. The first one being at the top is our database, where we store all the information we need for our application. And at the middle section to the right, we have our main UI interface, where the user will interact with the main UI frame to select different stories or access our bookmarks or use read aloud, many different functions in the app. And at the left and the bottom, we have many different features implemented, including media recordings, bookmarks, highlight tags, which we will demonstrate through our demo.
All right, so for our demo, I would like you to please imagine that Mousen is an 8-year-old child. Okay, he speaks, thank you, Mousen. He speaks Urdu at home with his family, that's his mother tongue. But he's been learning English for the past couple years in school, and he and his dad, Yushin, they read a story every night before going to bed. So without further ado, take it away.
Hey Dad, let's continue to use my new app FlipTheScript to finish the story, The Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Sure thing, my son. Where did we left off yesterday?
I remember that Goldilocks went inside the bear's house and it has eaten the baby bear's porridge and broken his chair. Yeah, right?
That's correct. Let's keep going.
So by this time, Goldilocks was very tired. Dad, I'm not sure what's the meaning of the last part of the sentence.
Let's check that in Urdu.
So pause. So what Yushin is doing right now is highlighting the text and finding the adjacent translation in Urdu. Now Urdu goes right to left, which is why, as opposed to English, which goes left to right. The Urdu translation being "Bahut thak chuki thi." So in this case, father and son are using their mother tongue to contextualize and construct meaning. And the reason why it's not always a word-for-word translation is because the sentence structure in Urdu and English will vary. Sometimes one word in Urdu will be 3 words in English. So I chose to use also phrases, translated phrases, to make sure that they really understand the whole meaning of the sentence. And play.
Okay, got it.
So that's when you feel very tired, you should go to bed instead of playing video games.
Okay, fine, Dad. Let's just continue to read the story. She wanted this. Dad, I don't know how to read this sentence.
Let's use the read aloud to help us read this sentence.
She wandered up the stairs and found a bedroom.
Pause. So children who are learning a new language need multiple opportunities to listen to native speakers. So in this case, Yushin and Mousen are both listening to the read aloud, and they're training their ears to develop a sense of the rhythm and the pronunciation in the sentence. And play.
Oh, that was surely very helpful. Do you want to do your own recording?
Oh, sure. Let me try it out. She wandered up the stairs and found a bedroom.
Do you want to listen to your own recording?
Maybe not.
We should.
She wandered up the stairs and found a bedroom.
Pause. So in this case, Mousen is recording and listening to his own recording. Sometimes when we're learning a new language, we can't hear the mistakes that we're making. So this is a good opportunity for Mousen to practice and then also self-assess and play.
Great job, my son. Let's keep going.
Okay. In the bedroom, she saw 3 beds, one big, one medium, and one small. And the big bed was too hard, the medium bed was too soft, but the small bed was just right. So I'm guessing Goldilocks will pick the small one.
Let's check. You're right.
Yeah.
Move on to the next one.
So Goldilocks crawled under the covers and fell asleep.
What do you think will happen next?
It has been a long time since Goldilocks been in this house, so I'm guessing 3 bears will come home soon.
Pause. So Mousen is now making a prediction as to what will happen next in the story. This is based on his understanding of what has happened so far. So questions and dialoguing help a student or child engage more critically and think more deeply about the story. And play.
Oh,
You look very tired. I guess we should go to bed now.
okay, Dad, let's mark in and save the rest tomorrow.
Okay.
And sing. Okay. So, in terms of our reflections of our key learning, we kept a fairly consistent dialogue throughout this project, and that was very helpful. So we Skyped, we got together in person, which was great. We talked about all of the different things that were going right, going wrong, and then we kept up to date using email as well. What we would do differently is ask for a little bit more guidance or feedback throughout the process, especially when it comes to presenting and just in terms of running through some of the ideas, because we tended to get into a bit of a tunnel vision state. Future developments.
For future developments, we will implement multiple stories in multiple languages. And also, we will build a server to allow students to download the stories. And also, we will build another server to bring the teachers in so that the teachers can track their students' progress. And we will further improve our user interface to make our app more attractive to the students. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Hey, great demo, great scene. It's really wonderful to see that evolution. Yeah, it's a really exciting notion. And what's new, particularly, is that I didn't know you were going to ask these questions and have an interaction. That seems powerful. No.
So the syncing between the audio and the text, was that because you read it, did you guys just know where it was and kind of manually put it in?
No, it was sort of dynamic. I'm measuring how long the song will follow, the duration, and I measure how long the sentence is, sort of measure how long each character should be, and adding some paddings for commas and ands or things. So it's quite simple right now, but it can be more complicated.
Great, well done.
Thank you.